And actually, I just want to know, just from your experience, like where do you see sort of future of like a product like Pictory going? Or is there one thing that you would love for Pictory to do to support you in like 2026 going forward?
Being able to have layers in a Pictory video really opens up a lot of possibilities. And I think your team and this solution are really at a very interesting nexus when it comes to where the product can go in the future because of things like that, right? You guys are creating so many different ways to generate training, but now you're adding to sort of the production component of how you interact with the viewer with those layers.
Yeah.
And that could potentially have the ability to like have gamification in it. Obviously there's turnstile capabilities for like marketing capture, looking for emails, etc. But I think having like quizzing or just knowledge checks live in the video with those layers is really interesting to me. And I think it points towards where this product is going, which I think is interaction, like user interaction in addition to user watching the generation of the text. I'm really excited to see where that goes because Pictory's already checking so many boxes for me when it comes to content creation